But as you can see behind me, the snowbanks are taller than I am. This is the snow that's been plowed out of the Kingvale Shell Station parking lot. And we have focused a lot on the travelers impacted by this storm. But yeah, the locals, they're the ones that live here and have to deal with 10 feet of snow. So we went into the Serene Lakes neighborhood near Soda Springs to see how they're doing tonight. In Soda Springs, at an elevation near 7,000 feet, the break from the blizzard is when the locals get to work. This was the day to dig out. Cheyenne Brown grew up in this neighborhood. She's a pro skier, but on this day, she's helping out the family business, Donner Summit Snow Removal.
Digging out neighbors, yeah.
The business has 8 plows serving about 300 driveways, but to get the cars out, sometimes you just have to resort to the shovel.
Yeah, it's a nice workout. Get your heart rate up.
Cheyenne says the weekend blizzard lived up to the hype.
My instinct was, it's not going to be that bad. Like we're going to be able to handle it. It's not going to be bad at all. But when it comes in all at once like this, it is kind of overwhelming. You open your back door and there's 4 feet of snow and you can't get out. And you're like, oh gosh, what do I do?
She says one thing neighbors do very well here is help each other out.
I mean, it's really cool because the community comes together. It's very much like the, hey, I need some sugar. Can I borrow some?
Lending sugar in the shadow of Sugar Bowl Resort, which reported 10.5 feet of new snow as of Monday morning. That pileup of powder puts enormous weight on cars, houses, and decks. This deck appears to still have some damage from a previous heavy storm as it bears the weight of this past weekend.
It's kind of dangerous for your vehicles, your house. You know, you got to shovel your roof, you got to shovel your deck, take care of your house because, I mean, anything can happen. Last year we saw cars getting crushed, propane tanks exploding, stuff like that. So we're definitely really trying to prevent that this year. We're lucky this storm, it was a colder storm, so the snow was a little bit lighter. It wasn't as Sierra cement as it can be, but still does not make it fun digging out, 6+ feet of snow.
Plows are working well into the night in Soda Springs, and so are the shovels. Thomas Santa Croce moved up here from the Palm Springs area to work at Sugar Bowl. We found him 45 minutes into digging out his car.
Take me probably another hour just to get to the front half of the car.
Like so many people you'll meet up here dealing with the enormous delivery of mountain powder, he wouldn't have it any other way.
This is absolutely what I signed up for. Yeah, I've never lived in snow, but I love it. Yeah, starting to learn how to snowboard, so it's gonna be really nice.
And a final word to the travelers. We're driving a 4-wheel drive SUV with great tread on the tires. We were going 30 miles an hour and there was a moment where we started to lose traction briefly. So just keep in mind if you're heading up here tomorrow, you are still going to be in winter driving conditions. Live in Kingvale, covering local news that matters, Dennis Shanahan, Fox 40 News.